Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how we can clean the disk of our Windows computer and make the system faster, like deleting the temporary files and all unwanted stuff. So first of all, you need to go to the link that I'm going to provide and download the disk cleanup program. It's a small file like 300 kilobytes and it's like a portable application, run only application. It's not installing anything. So first, after you run, you can just click on the cleanup option, so it will start deleting your unwanted files, temporary files, a lot of other stuff. For me, I already cleared some everything, so it's very faster. In your case, maybe it will take 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, like this, if you have a lot of temporary files. And you can go customize your options. In the customize options, you can customize the locations where you want to delete the temporary files. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Hit like if it was helpful and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Goodbye.